At Tudor's woods, the hornet sings that morning. And then the day also turns into a windy rain. The strongest rain system. The shootings of strong rain. Their furthest now clocked at 95 inches of rain. Hello? So the 95, that's so high. The one that on the amusement park is the day. So it's closed? I don't know what to do. So it is also trouble with that. So on the 95 inches of rain, the clouds will become grayer, and then the puds of the wind keeps to the gust, and then the hail or to the sun becomes. Look at Tudor's proceed, and then inside the fun house, the leaking part was trying to get off of that thing. So in his mouth, the Tudors can be off the lids. Let me turn it wide open. In his mouth, the Tudor's weird tooth come out. And then the Tudor's trying to get so weird. Tudor's spins. And then it tries to get leaking. To say look weak. And then the Tudors of walls are gonna stay here. But all of the signs will just broke. And then after the Tudors of signs, the socks are gonna blow down just for the chimney. It's called an extra potion of the sins of it. And then, if the Tudors caught the beach, the walls are just gonna put us a splash. And then watch, the big Tanosmi crushes the funhouse and that stuff all the way and away to the ground, and then it died. And so scissors in and make a horrible splash. Splash! So, on the funhouse, the protostylus of water is gonna come out. So that's the part where the typhoons get to it. And then the ice cream shop is gonna get run out of popcorn. And the balloons will get weirder, and then it will try to balloon. This necessary win. So the balloons will get off of that. And then after the treads, the tram is gonna make it explode the city.